Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to fix your Hisense TV won't turn on. Hisense TV has no power or dead issue. Before starting your TV repair, please make sure that you have tested the electrolytic capacitors first. If you stay with us all the way to the end of this video and try each of these methods, and there is very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Step 1. Find the bad capacitors on PSU board. Open the TV rear cover. Look at the PSU board. On power board pictured above, I have indicated which capacitors you should be examining for signs of failure. These capacitors are aluminum electrolytic capacitors and are the most likely cause of your problem. The capacitors with the green arrows are the most likely candidates for being bad, but the blue arrow are other capacitors to examine. If found any bulging vents or leaking capacitors, you need to replace it. Step 2. Check the main fuse. If cannot found any burn component on it, checking the F101 main fuse is okay or not. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. If you face any problems during this session, then don't hesitate to inform me on comment section. I will be happy to help you and answer your all queries as soon as possible. So, let's start it. Step 3. Check output voltage. If fuse is okay, then check the output's voltage, power on the TV, and if no output's voltage of 5 volt, 12 volt, and 24 volt, we suspect the power factor correction PFC section is failure. Measure the voltage of big filter capacitor is only 302 volt, instead of 380 volt. That's mean their PFC section is not working. Step 4. Replace SMD on PFC circuit. So, power off TV and using the multimeter testing the PFC circuit components and found that Q108, Q109 and Q110 all are 2 Tesla, marking code SMD all are gone. So, using the 2A SMD as a replacement and the TV is working properly. Actually, this is a common fault in this PSU board. So, that's the whole story, my friends. We have covered the steps to fix TV no power or dead issues. If you face any problems or still have same experience, please leave a comments here. I will be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.